This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Conga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to congachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site. In this lesson, we're going to continue to build on some of the concepts and exercises from lessons 1 and 2 using phrases derived from the quinto drum. We'll continue to work on strengthening our sense of time and pulse as we strive to get comfortable playing some challenging phrases based on upbeats, as well as work on implementing the use of space and variation to continue developing our rhythmic vocabulary. Now, as with the last lesson, the exercises we'll work on here will help us continue to build confidence playing different accents and shapes on the eighth note grid. We'll also be expanding on what we worked on in lesson 7 on time, pulse, and feel from the Conga Fundamentals course. So feel free to check that out first if you need a quick refresher. For this first exercise, we're going to work on a simple phrase that incorporates every eighth note upbeat in the bar. And to make it sound a bit more musical, like something we could actually use in a solo, we'll switch between a slap and an open tone every other note in the first bar, and play a slap followed by 3 open tones in the second bar. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on that just a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just by switching up the tones a bit, we've created a 2-bar phrase that helps us work on mastering upbeats in our eighth note grid, as well as gives us something that we can easily work into a solo. Now, remember that we want to work on these slowly at first, focusing on our sound, as well as singing and playing the figure accurately while keeping a half note pulse with our hands or feet. So once you begin to get comfortable with it, you can speed it up a bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we've worked on an exercise to help us get reacquainted with playing all the upbeats in the bar, let's work on some phrases that'll utilize only a couple of upbeats at a time. Now, remember that in many cases, playing phrases that involve more space can prove more challenging than playing phrases that involve notes played closer together. So for this next phrase, we'll be using the first bar of our quinto lock as the foundation, focusing on getting comfortable playing only 2 eighth note upbeats in each bar. We'll play a slap on the end of 1 and an open tone on the end of 4, leaving a rest on beat 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what we do on Conga Chops and how we can help you further your skills, come check us out at congachops.com. We've got an incredible library of step-by-step courses and lessons, over 10 hours of exclusive practice loops, hand-picked Spotify playlists for each pertinent course and lesson on the site, and an amazing community forum where you can meet and discuss with other members, as well as get one-on-one feedback on everything you're working on. Just click the link below to grab your free 7-day trial and see what it's all about. Now, please don't forget to show your support for our channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment down below as far as what you'd like to see me cover next, and hitting subscribe so you can catch our new videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.